this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, click that subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll be notified when my videos release. This video series is a video short new product preview, so enjoy. And now all the new colors in the 21-22, and of course, just like the Stampin' Blends, I've got all the inks, so woohoo! And of course, I always get the Stampin' Right markers as well. These are great, not only just coloring stamps, but I do so many other things with these. These are actually, if I were to recommend anything out of the catalog, I would get the complete set of all the colors, which I of course have. So these are awesome. Now look, I've got color and contour, both the dies and the stamp set. And this one I really wanted because look at all these frames you get. So this one is so cool. I also got Inspired Thoughts, and I really like this because of these trees, how you can kind of layer them, and of course the sayings. And I love things with landscapes, so anything with landscapes I'm going to totally buy. But I mean, it's got so many good things on here. So here is the Inspired Thoughts bundle. And here's Flowers of Friendship bundle. And this one I got because it has a punch. So what's easier than a punch, right? And lots of pretty flowers. I can do stickers with this. If you haven't checked out my sticker video, look at that. It's coming up. So here is Flowers of Friendship bundle. Now for some embellishments. I love these. I don't even know how to genital. I can't speak. Anyway, I love these gems. They're such a cute color. And look at the in color jewels. Wow. I'm going to buy a lot of these. I have a feeling these are going to go in back order right away. Twine is always awesome. And guess what this is, ladies? It is the Bumblebee trinkets. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at the Bumblebee trinkets. These are going to go in back order too. I guarantee you these two will be gone quick. And all of the basic new paper, so the polished pink, pale papaya, freesia, and soft succulent, and evening evergreen. So these are beautiful. Ooh, I missed one of the embellishments on the bottom of the box. These are cool. These are the flowers. So awesome. And I think I'm even missing some stuff here. I thought I got the some other things, but I'm sure there's another box coming. So awesome, awesome, awesome. And the last two things in my box is DS paper. This is Beauty of the Earth. So that's that one. And this is hand painted designer series paper, and it's this one. So this is my first haul. So we'll see what I get in a few days. Thanks. Bye.